Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix connection issues with your Marshall Minor 3. So as you can see, this earbuds appears on the list, but right now they disappear, and honestly I just cannot connect with them, and I'm gonna show you my way how to fix it. So first of all, you have to simply restart the Bluetooth on your phone. So just turn it off, and after a few moments just turn it on back. Next, you have to grab your earbuds, put left and the right inside, and then open this cover also. You have to right now click and hold this button at the bottom. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it. It will take around 10 seconds, and this indicator will turn to the purple, and after that it will turn to the red. After that we have to release that button. Okay, right now release, and click and hold it one more time until this indicator turns blue and starts blinking. Okay, let's do this right now. And on our device we have to click to pair new device, and from the list we have to select our Minor 3, our earbuds, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected, so we can just take them off and basically use. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.